Hi, in this video we are going to see the different vacancies notification from the central government guys. So here the total 567 vacancies are there, and the eligibility is graduation as well as post graduation. That means if you are having only graduation, here the vacancies are there, or else only post graduation also vacancies are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the central government jobs. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And coming to the graduation, you will get the 24,000 rupees per month, and for post graduation 80,000 rupees per month. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, and this notification dated on 10th May 2021. So here you may check down the vacancy advertisement. Applications are invited for recruitment or empanelment of following manpower purely on a contract basis for deployment in All India Quarterly Establishment Based Employment Survey and All India Survey on Migrant Workers. Okay, here you may check down for the investigator post. Total 350 vacancies are there, and eligibility is bachelor's degree from a recognized university and good working knowledge on the computers, and the knowledge of regional language of the state of deployment RO is essential. Fine. So these are the essential qualifications guys. So any graduate can apply for this investigator post, okay, if you are having the little bit knowledge regarding the computers. And coming to the age, not more than 45 years, and the monthly remuneration is 24,000 rupees per month. And the desirable qualifications is mentioned here: experience of working in NSS or the Labor Bureau survey, census and other similar surveys conducted by the government. And the job description, you have to collect the data from households or enterprises or shops or markets etc. using electronic gadgets through computer assisted personal interviewing on various aspects in selected rural or urban samples through pre-designed schedules of the inquiry. If required, the collection of data may have to be made in paper schedules also. They will be required to visit field at least 20 days a month. The investigators will be allotted a state but may be required to travel to other states also as per the requirements for the survey. Okay, and any other task given by the competent authority. And coming to the supervisors, total 145 vacancies are there. The graduate degree along with at least 2 years of experience in survey related work in central or state government or PSU or bank or private companies, and good working knowledge of the computers, and the knowledge of regional language is also essential guys. And here age limit not more than 50 years and not more than 64 years in case of retired government servants, and here the salary is 30,000 rupees per month. And few desirable qualifications as well as the job descriptions are also mentioned here. And system analyst, 2 posts are there: bachelor's or master's degree, computer or information technology engineering or MC or MTech from a reputed university or institutions. Minimum 8 years of experience in relevant field. The candidate should be master in developing application and the data processing software. Age limit not more than 50 years, and the salary is 80,000 rupees per month, and the job description is also given here, so you may check down guys. And next one is senior domain expert. Total 19 posts are there. Postgraduate degree in the economics or applied economics or business economics or econometrics as a subject, and a paper from a recognized university, institute or equivalent, or else PG degree in statistics or mathematics or commerce as a subject, or paper from the recognized university, and 15 years of experience in survey related jobs or in some job related to planning or data analysis. Okay, so and here retired ISS officers also may apply for this one. Age limit is not more than 50 years, and the salary is 80,000 rupees per month, and the job description is also mentioned. You may check down guys. And coming to the junior domain expert, okay, total A and B category are there. Coming to the A category, 8 posts are there, and for this A category, PG degree in economics or applied economics or business economics, or else PG degree in statistics or mathematics with 8 years of experience, or else a retired IES or ISS officers. And here the age limit is not more than 50 years, and the salary is 60,000 rupees per month. Coming to the category B in junior domain expert, total 17 posts are there. Here the qualification required is PG degree in economics or applied economics or business economics, or PG degree in statistics, okay, or PG DM or MBA or equivalent. So 5 years of experience in the relevant field. Age limit is not more than 50 years and the salary is 50,000 rupees per month. And the job description is given here, so please check down guys. And a multitasking staff, 16 posts are there. Candidates must have the matriculation examination or equivalent from recognized board. Age not more than 60 years and the salary is 15,000 rupees per month. And coming to the subject matter expert SME, total 5 posts are there. A first class post graduation degree in the statistics or economics or data science or other related subjects from a reputed universities and the relevant at least 20 years of experience in the survey designing. Okay, not less than 40 years and the age limit is 80,000 rupees per month. And coming to the young professional, total 5 posts are there. PG degree in statistics or economics or applied economics, or else a computer application or social science with mathematics as a full paper from top rated institutes of national and international repute, or else a PG degree in statistics or economics or applied economics with mathematics as a full paper in social science. Okay, and age limit is not more than 45 years and the salary were going to 70,000 rupees per month. Okay, so total nearly 567 vacancies are there guys. So it will be a very good opportunity. Why? Because out of this one nearly 350 vacancies are there for any graduate. Okay, any degree can apply for this one. So it will be very good news guys. In this pandemic situation, getting the job notifications, that too from the central government organization. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. Okay, and it will be very much helpful to them. Selection will be made as per the prescribed norms and requirement of the job. Test or the written exam will be conducted for the post serial 1 and serial number 1 and 2. Interviews will be conducted from 3 to 8. Applicants who applied for the post of UDC will be refunded the application fee, and TADA will not be provided for attending the test or the interview or anything. And applicants will be informed regarding the test or written exam or else the interview separately. And applications must be submitted through online, and you have to click on this website or else on this website, okay, to enter into the online application form guys. And for if you are having any technical problems at the time of filling up of the online application form, here the mail ID is provided, you may check down. And the last date for submission of application is 20th May 2021. Okay, so these are the important things guys, and few more steps are also given here how to apply the online application form, so you please check down. Okay, so any graduates can apply, so utilize this opportunity guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.